क्या बोल रहे हैं हम? मतलब बोल रहे थिंग्स आर लुकिंग गुड, फिर बोलते कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है। गजब चूतिया है हम भी। Hey guys, and welcome back to another crypto trader video. And in this video we are going to be doing some more price chart analysis. So before we get right into this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to check out the description for our free telegram channel. And also make sure to stay till the end of this video, because in this video somewhere in the middle I'll share a coin which can give around 300% return in the next 2 months. So let's get right into it. So first we have is Btc Usdt. So Btc had been forming like this uptrend, and now we are correcting. As you can see, we dipped around somewhere 26% from the top. So yeah, the correction was like quite deep. Some got scared, some panic sold, but yeah, corrections are required in the bull run. And the people who are asking me like it's a bull run over, everyone like people are calling this the start of the bear market. Well, I don't feel so. And like I feel like we are still the 72k target is still in the play, and we can easily reach those targets within next 1 or 2 months. Or the another scenario can be like we move sideways for some times, and then we like short up till maybe till the mid of July and some. So like as you can see, the corrections are normal. Like in January also we corrected around 25%, 28%, and then we shot up. In February also we corrected around 26%, and we went to make new highs. So in March and also we corrected some, like not that big, but yeah, small one, 19% correction, and then again we made a new high. So yeah, like expecting it to make a new high, like we corrected around 26%. So like seeing the previous trends, the bottom should be somewhere around here, and like we should form and set new highs over there. So yeah, and on 4 hours, like I expected it not to go below 50k, like because this was a very important like crucial zone for the Bitcoin. But as you can see, like the dip we had around 18 April, we just dipped here, just touched and bounced back up, and then we like moved sideways, like some kind of descending like downtrend. Yeah, so we move sideways and then we dip back. We are now retesting, like this support became resistance now, so we are retesting it. So yeah, you can say the like the scenario, like we follow the break and retest scenario. So like you can say this, like this is retesting, and now we can move further down. Yeah, absolutely, we can move further down. So like you can take a short position over here, stops go here, and then targets go here. But like it's not like smartest move to make in the bull market, to short the trend which is going on. So like yeah, we can take some shorts, and like like the stop loss won't be that much, so we can take a chance over here. Like if she short over here, the like the stop loss go above this, that's 6% stop, and the target should go somewhere around here, that's 11%. So a good one to 1.78 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, can take this trade. So this would be the next zone for like if we are going short. And personally I won't take this short, as the market has already corrected 28%, and like in the past we have also seen the markets to correct that much. And like this was also the zone we broke, we retested. This was also the zone we were retesting, but we shot up, retested, and then we started going back up. So the one scenario can be like we move sideways and then we go up straight, like means go uh we like go up, retest, go up, retest this one, go up, retest this one, and then we go up. So or most likely can, or one more scenario is like we retest this and then we go straight down to these zones. So if we go down to these zones, then that would be like it would take some time to recover, like maybe 1 or 2 months more than expected. And yeah, so we can then see sideways, and if we break that as well, the next important area can be of 40k. And then of course we have this 34k, but I don't think we would go that deep. But yeah, still just marked out the zones, like if we see, then these zones can be the buy zones. Yeah, of course these zones were also the buy zones. Like some of my orders got triggered over here, still waiting for this one to get triggered. Like if it doesn't get triggered, I'll simply just cancel it and move along. So yeah, that's for the zones. Like if you have this, like if I marked out this zone, like this is an important one, so you can set the limit orders, and if prices come, you can just get in. So that's it. That's how you play this game, and that's how you win. So most expected scenario is like this should be the bottom, and now we can go up from here, like in within this like next week or so. If not, like if some more bad news comes out, as came out, like the president of US declared that they would be taxing. So this dip was mostly due to that news, and we dipped straight. So yeah, if some more bad news comes out, so the next support would be the 43k, and I'm not expecting it to see 43k. So let's see, next we have Ethereum USDT. So Ethereum is quite strong against, like the odds are quite strong overall. Like we are seeing the Bitcoin dip, but the odds are acting pretty strong right now. As you can see, Ethereum is pumping, whereas BTC we are taking a dip. So yeah, that's nice. Like see, and the dominance is also falling, but it's forming kind of high lows. So yeah, you can see some kind of retest and then eventually break. Mostly these patterns in downtrends go somewhere like this. We go down, we like form some upward movement, and then we break down again, and this is called the bull trap over here. So yeah, so might be that we are going like up, and then we eventually break down, and once we break this 50% mark, the real, like the craziest alt season will begin, and like the gains would be we have never seen before. So let's get back to Ethereum and see what are the important zones for Ethereum. So yeah, so like we said, like we are expecting some kind of bounce over here. We broke out this this trend line we have drawn, and then we closed back in. So yeah, that's was like expected move for Ethereum. And this zone for Ethereum is like a good area of interest. As you can see, the prices came, retested, went up, broke down, acted as resistance, and yeah, it broke, retested, went up, came down. Like yeah, so like we can see some price actions over here, that is around 2300 USDT. So like this trend line is like not valid now much, like as we broke and retested. So like we can still keep this on the chart, but yeah, nothing much gets clear from it. Like we can also say, like yeah, we are testing this trend and we may go down, but as you are seeing, like Bitcoin is dipping, but the other odds are not dipping that much. So like we are expecting to see a break of this zone, and this zone should hold for our Like if it doesn't hold, like we would be mostly ranging between this $2,000 range and this $2,300 range. So for the prices to go up, we need to hold this zone, like some kind of break and retest of these zones as well, break retest, and then eventually we go up to our $3,000 targets for the Ethereum. So yep, overall Ethereum is like good, looks good to me, and Ethereum didn't dip that much. Most probably it dipped around 20%, and yeah, so it's good, looking good. Ethereum is looking good, and next we have is data. So yeah, this is the coin I was talking about in the intro. So like what I observed is that that there was this bottom around in January, and then we shot up around 450%, and then we corrected about 64%, and then we like shot up again of for around 360%. And the thing is, like from the top we have again corrected somewhere around 67%. So like if and we are in the bull run is still intact, and things are looking good. So if this thing is making this higher high and higher lows, so the next target should take us somewhere over here, which should be around 250%. So like this is like at least I'm expecting. So mostly our targets can be around 300 and 350, but the 250 looks good, like it's around the round number as well, like 41 cents. So this is the coin, like it's retesting these highs as well, which it made around in the February. So yeah, this coin looks good, I would be buying some over here. This coin is like at a great area of interest. So yeah, within next two months, maybe around till 22nd July, we can see another 300 250% gain in this coin. So yeah, next we have Litecoin USDT. Next we have is Litecoin. Litecoin also took a nice step over here. So yeah, currently we are at the area of interest. So as you can see, we had some good price actions over here. We dropped, we retested, we broke it, we retested, we broke it, we retested it again, bounced a little bit and dropped, had this resistance and dropped again, had this act as resistance and dropped again. So and then we finally were able to break it around 7th April, retested, and then we went up. So yep. So and then things like went a little bit of choppy as Bitcoin fell down. So yeah, this can also be a good area for buying some. Like this was already marked out in a previous video, so we like I could have placed, but I would be buying some Litecoin over here. Looks good to me, and the targets are still the same. Most probably will hit $440 maybe. Let's see if we take the fib retracement, and this was the high. So like basically what happens in the in like what happens in uptrend, like we go up, we retest, and mostly like what happens if we take a fib retracement from here to here. So the price is most likely to come in these zones, like between 0.5 and 618, and then eventually it goes up. This happens in uptrend, and so in the downtrend, if price going down, it comes up. That the range should be somewhere around these, and the prices should go down from here. So that's how favorite treatments work. So if this is the low and this is the bottom, so the next area of interest should be here. Like this was the high. So we and like the break and support strategy also, like the break and retest also works there. So this should be the play. Like we bounce from here, we go till 4 maybe. It's like we can take this to like 500. Yeah, 500 we go, and then we retest back over this zones, and then we might form a new high. Or let's see like how much time this takes. If Bitcoin like tops out around 72k, then this would be the high for the Litecoin, and then eventually the start of the bear market. And if not, Bitcoin makes new highs, then yeah, would be looking for new highs for Litecoin as well. So next we have XRP USDT. So yeah, XRP is also at a good zone, like around $1. Like yeah, nice zones for buying. Personally, I bought some more XRP over here. Some over here, like these zones were marked out, so I bought here. Like it came, it took in, and then it moved sideways, and we dropped again. So yeah, no issues. We dropped. We got a more cheaper entry. So yeah, the targets are still good. First, I'm expecting it to touch 2.5, and then these like the previous all-time highs. So yeah, if we go to the all-time high, still we have somewhere around 200% to grow. So yeah, that's a good deal for me, so I'm taking it. If it's not a good deal for you, then you can pass it, or like you can aim for the higher targets. So that's how the like an entry is decided for on your end, like if you want to take it or not. So the next important zone like can be this one as well. Like we can see the prices come, they pick over here and they go up. So we can place some order somewhere around 0.89. Like we can set it around 0.9990 cents for XRP. Like if price wicks some one more time down, we could get an entry over here. So yeah, as you go. And for XRP also, Bitcoin is dipping, but it is like forming more stable over here, like it's moving sideways. So you're expecting XRP to like break this downtrend and eventually retest, and then we go up for XRP. So yeah, overall we are still very bullish. So don't be scared. Don't sell your coins. That would be the dumbest mistake you'll make in this bull run. So that's all for this videos, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the description for a free Telegram channel. Till then, keep hodling. See ya. Bye bye.